This generator is powered by a Cummins QSX50G8 engine, and it's developed by Cummins in 1990s, which is a common rear engine, and also coupled with the Stanford alternator 534, which is a PMG kit. The whole generator sits in a compact canopy, and both got the long-range bunded fuel tank, which is kind of 1600 liters, and it's got 50 degrees Celsius radiator, battery isolator, which you can switch on and off for the battery, and also the generator itself got very good soundproofing because it's using the mineral wool, has some protection. The generator itself is very easy for transport. So you got the forklift slots, central lifting point. It's got the tolling point also. And for the control system, we got a deep sea 8610 synchronizing control, covering with ABB motorized circuit breaker and also the city group, etc. Enable the generator to be synchronizing with the same generators that can reach a bigger output.